Remove the bolts that secure the front of the volute to the bracket. Disassemble volute from bracket. Remove the impeller eye cap. Remove the impeller lock nut and slide impeller off shaft. Remove the metal washer and the soft impeller washer gasket. Detach bracket from motor. Remove bracket from motor. Remove stationary mechanical seal from bracket by pressing the seal out from the back. Do not try to remove it from the front. Use a mallet and a section of Schedule 40 PVC to help remove the seal from the seal cup. Remove the rotating mechanical seal from the impeller. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry the seal out. Inspect and clean the seal cups. Remove the new mechanical seals from the packaging, being careful to not touch the seal faces while handling or installing. Apply a small amount of grease to the inside of the seal cups and the back side of the seal. Be careful to not get grease on the faces of the seal. Carefully set the seal into position. Use a section of Schedule 40 PVC pipe to install the stationary seal into the cup located in the bracket. Tap the seal into position using a mallet. Be careful to not damage the face of the seal during installation. The pipe should only come in contact with the metal shoulder of the seal assembly and not the face of the seal. Apply grease to the seal cup located on the impeller and the back side of the rotating seal. Be careful to not get grease on the face of the seal. Cover the face of the mechanical seal with a lens cleaning wipe and press down on the face of the seal until the seal fully seats into position. Apply a little grease to the large O-ring and install, making sure it's properly seated into the gland located on the bracket. Reinstall the bracket onto the motor. Using isopropyl alcohol and lens wipes, carefully clean the faces of the seals to make sure they are clean prior to final assembly. Install the impeller back onto the keyed shaft. Gently press into place. Do not force. Install a new impeller washer gasket followed by the metal washer. Install the impeller lock nut and torque to the recommended specifications. Check to make sure the impeller spins freely. Use a pick and carefully remove the original O-ring from the impeller eye cap. Lightly grease the new O-ring and install, making sure it's properly seated into the gland. Install the impeller eye cap onto the shaft. Set volute onto bracket and secure into place with the bolts, washers, and nuts, using a cross-hatching pattern to make sure the volute is secured evenly. The pump is now ready to be put back into service. For more information, please visit our website at aquascapeinc.com.